2025년 7월 1일 6시 42분.
Unit 21. Solids, liquids, and gases. Everything in the world is
Everything
made
in the
of
world
matter.
is made of matter.
Air, water,
Air,
and
water,
this book
and
are
this
all
book
made of
are
matter.
all made of matter.
Matter has three
Matter
forms.
has three forms.
They are solids,
They are
liquids,
solids,
and
liquids,
gases.
and gases.
A solid is a
A
hard
solid is
object
a
that
hard
can be
object that
touched.
can be touched.
Only a solid has
Only
a
a
shape of
solid
its
has a
own.
shape of it.
Cars, books,
Cars,
rocks,
books,
and ice
rocks,
are all
and ice are
solids.
solids.
Water is a liquid.
Water is a liquid.
A liquid does not
A
have a
liquid
shape of
does
its
not
own.
have a shape,
It takes the shape of its container.
So takes the shape of
Juice,
container.
milk, and Coke
Juice,
are
milk,
all
and
liquids.
Coke are all liquids.
Air is made up of
Air
gases.
is made of gases.
Like a liquid,
Like a
gas
liquid,
does
a
not have
gas
its own
does not
shape.
have a shape.
It fills all of
It
the space
fills
of
all
its
the
container.
spacious container.
The air inside
Their
balloons,
inside
helium,
balloons,
and steam
helium,
are
and
all
steam are
gases.
all gases.
Unit 22. The water cycle.
Water can be a
Water
solid,
can be
a
a
liquid,
solid,
or a
a
gas.
liquid, or gas.
When water gets
When
warm,
water
it
gets warm,
changes
it
into a
changes
gas.
into a gas.
The gas is called
The
water
gas
vapor.
is called water
When
vapor.
water vapor gets
Water
cold,
vapor
it turns
gas
back
is
into
turned
water.
back into water.
Water can change
Water
into a
can
solid,
change into a
ice, when it
solid,
freezes.
ice when it freezes.
This water cycle makes it
This
rain
water
or
cycle
snow.
make it rain or snow.
The sun heats the
The
water
sun
in the
heats the
oceans
water in
and on land.
oceans and on land.
Some water turns into water
The
vapor.
water turns vapor.
As the water vapor
As the
rises
water
into
vapor
the air,
rises into
the
the
temperature
air,
gets
the
colder.
temperature gets cooler.
This makes the water
It
vapor
makes the
turn
water
back into
vapor turn
water.
back into water.
The water
The
gathers in
water
the sky
gathers
in
in
the
the
form
sky
of
in the
clouds.
form of clouds.
Eventually,
And
the
eventually,
clouds
the
release their
clouds
water.
release their water.
In warm weather,
In
the
warm
water
weather,
falls
the
to
water
earth as rain.
falls to earth as rain.
In cold weather,
In
the
cold
water
weather,
falls
the
as
water
snow.
falls as snow.
Then the water cycle
Then the water
begins again.
cycle begins again.
Unit 23. Your body.
Your body.
Your body has
Your
many
body
different
has
parts.
many different parts.
All your parts work
All your
together to
parts
help
work
you
together
live.
to help you live.
Let's learn about
Let's
some
learn
of the
about
systems
some
of
of
your
the
body.
systems your body.
Bones are the hard
Bones are
body
the
parts
hard body
inside your
parts
body.
inside your body.
They connect each
They
body
connect
part
each
to one
body
another.
part to another.
They hold your body
They
up
hold your
and
body
give the
up
body
and give
its
the
shape.
body give shape.
Bones also protect
Bones
many
also protect
important
many
parts
important
inside
parts
your body.
inside your body.
There are more than
There are more than
200 bones
200
inside you.
bones inside you.
Altogether,
Altogether,
they
they
form
form
your
your skeletal system.
Muscles are body
Muscles
parts
are
that
body
make you
parts that
move.
make you move.
You use muscles to
You use
walk,
muscles to
run,
walk,
and jump.
run, and jump.
You even use
You
your
even
muscles
use
to
your
talk,
muscles to
eat,
talk,
laugh,
eat,
and sing.
laugh, and sing.
There are more than
There are more
600
than
muscles inside you.
600 inside you.
Your muscular
Your
system
muscular
is made
system
up of these
is made of
muscles.
these muscles.
Unit 24. The systems of your body.
Let's learn more about the
Let's learn more
systems of your
about the
body.
system of your body.
You breathe using
You
your
breathe
respiratory
using a
system.
respiratory system.
Your mouth and nose take in
Your
oxygen
nose
from
taking
the air.
oxygen from the air.
Then the oxygen
Then the
goes into
oxygen
your
goes
lungs
into your
and
lungs
moves through your
and
blood.
moves your body.
Blood circulates in
Blood
your body
circulates
through your circulatory
your
system.
circulatory system.
It is made up of
And
your
it
heart
makes up your
and
heart
blood vessels.
and blood vessels.
Your heart pumps
Your
blood
heart
through
pumps
blood
blood
vessels.
through blood vessels.
Blood vessels are
Blood
small too.
vessels are small too.
They carry blood
They
from your
carry
heart
blood
to
from your
every
heart
part
to
of your
every
body.
part of your body.
Your body gets energy
Your
from the
body
food
gets
you eat.
food you eat.
When you eat,
When
your
you
digestive
eat,
system
your
breaks down
system
the food.
breaks down the food.
This lets your body
This
get
is your
energy
body
to do
get energy
things.
to do things. three shapes.
A shape with three
A shape
sides
with
is
three
called a
sides is
triangle.
called a triangle.
A rectangle
A
has four
rectangle
sides.
has four sides.
A square has
A
four
square
sides
has
of
four
equal
sides
length.
of equal length.
A circle is
A
round
circle
and
is
has no
round and
sides.
has no sides.
These shapes are called
These shapes
flat
are called
shapes
flat
or
shapes
plain
or
figures.
plain fingers.
A figure is a
A
regular
figure
shape.
is a regular shape.
There are many
There are
solid
many
shapes too.
solid shapes too.
A sphere is a
A
solid
sphere
shaped
is a
circle.
solid shaped circle.
A cube is a
A
solid
cube
shaped
is a
square.
solid shaped square.
Cones, pyramids,
Cones,
and cylinders
pyramids, and
are also
cylinders are
solid
also
shapes.
solid shapes.
Everywhere you look,
Everywhere you
can
look,
see
you
solid
can see
shapes and
solid
figures.
shapes and figures.
They are in buildings
They're in
and
buildings
everyday
and
objects.
everyday objects.
Look around your home
Look around
or
your
school,
home
for
or
example.
school, for example.
What figures do you
What
see?
figures do you see?
Unit 26. What am I?
What am I?
Let me tell you
Let
about
me
myself.
tell you about myself.
I have 6
I have
faces.
6 faces.
A face is a
A
flat
face is
surface
a
of a
flat
solid
surface of a
figure.
solid figure.
So, I
So
am a
I
solid
am a
figure.
solid figure.
My faces
My
intersect
faces
at various
intersect at
points.
various points.
An edge is
And
formed where
edges
2 of my
where 2
faces
of my
meet.
faces meet.
I have many
I
edges.
have many edges.
I have 12
I
of them.
have 12 of them.
My faces
My
also meet
faces
at
serve
different
some of the
vertices.
different vertices.
A vertex is a
A
point where
vertex is
2
a
or
point
more
where 2
edges
or more
meet.
edges meet.
I have 8
I have
vertices.
8 vertices.
Now do you know what
Now
I
do you
am?
know what I am?
I'm a cube.
I'm a cube.
Unit 27. Counting numbers.
Counting numbers.
Let's count from 1
Let's
to
count from 1
100.
to 100.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4, 5,
6, 7, 8,
6,
9, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10.
What about the next 10
What
numbers?
about the next 10 number?
11, 12, 13,
11,
14,
12,
15,
13, 14, 15,
16, 17,
16,
18, 19,
17,
20.
18, 19, 20.
How do we count higher
How do
than
you
20?
count higher than 20?
First, we need to know
First, you
these
need to know
numbers.
these numbers.
30, 40,
30, 40, 50,
60,
60,
70, 80,
70,
and
80,
90.
and 90.
After these words,
After these
just add a
words,
number
just add
from
a
1 to
number
9.
from 1 to 9.
Now you can count to
Now you
100.
can count to 100.
Let's practice counting
Let's
by
practice
tens.
counting by
10,
tens.
20,
10,
30,
20,
40,
30, 40,
50,
50,
60, 70,
60,
80, 90.
70, 80, 90.
Also, practice counting
Also,
backwards.
practice counting backward.
49, 48,
49,
47,
48,
and so on.
47, and so on.
We sometimes use
We
ordinal
sometimes use
numbers.
ordinal numbers.
We use these numbers
We
to
use the
tell the
numbers to
order or
tell the
position
order
of
or
something.
position of something.
The first 10
The
are
first
first,
10 are
second,
first,
third,
second,
fourth,
third,
fifth,
fourth, fifth,
6th,
6,
7th,
7, 8, 9,
9, and 10.
and 10.
Except for first,
Except
second,
for
and third,
second and third.
ordinal numbers end
The
in
numbers in
th.
TH.
Unit 28. Comparing numbers.
Comparing numbers.
Let's compare the
Let's
values of
compare
numbers.
values of numbers.
On a number line,
On a
a
number
number
line,
that comes
a number
after
that
another
comes
number
after another
is always one
is
more.
always one.
For example, 6
For
is
example,
one more than
6
5.
one more than 5.
So we can say
So we
6
can say
is
6
greater than
is
5.
greater than 5.
Or we can write it like
Or we
this.
can write like
6
this.
is greater
6
than
is
5.
greater than 5.
The sign greater
The
than
sign
means
greater than
is greater
means
than.
is greater than.
On a number line,
On the
a
number
number
line,
that comes
a number
before
that
another
comes
number
before the
is
number
always one
is
less.
always one less.
For example,
For
3 is
example,
1
3
less than
is
4.
1 less than 4.
So we can say
So we can
3
say
is
3
less than
is
4.
less than 4.
Or 3 is
Or
less
3
than
is
4.
less than 4.
The sign
The
less than
sign
means
less than
is less than.
means is less than.
Sometimes two numbers
Sometimes
have
the
the same
numbers have
value.
the same value.
For example,
For
3
example,
is equal
3
to
is
3.
equals to 3.
We can write it like
We
this.
can write it like
3
this.
equals 3.
3 equals 3.
The sign
The
equals
sign
means
equals
is equal
means
to
is
or
equals to
is the same
or
as.
is same as.
Unit 29. Being a good writer. A good writer uses
A good
grammar
writer is
and
good
punctuation.
and punctuation.
Grammar is the rules of a
Grammar
language.
is a language.
When you write a sentence,
When you write a
use
sentence,
the correct words
use the
and
correct
expressions.
word and expressions.
Also, use proper punctuation
Use proper
marks to
punctuation
show where the
to
sentence
what the
stops.
sentence stops.
Here are a few rules
Here
for
are a
writing.
few rules for writing.
Capitalization.
Capitalization.
1. Use a capital letter
Use a
at the
capital
beginning of a
at the beginning
sentence.
of
2. The word I is
the word
always a
I
capital
always a
letter.
capital.
3. The names of
The
people or
names of
special
people or
places
special
should begin
places
with a
should
capital
be
letter.
in a capital letter.
4. Capitalize the names of the
Capitalize
days of the
names of
week,
days of the
months,
week,
and holidays.
months and holidays.
Punctuation.
Punctuation
1. Use a period
is
to
a
end a
period to end
sentence.
sentences.
2. All questions
All
need a
questions
question
in a
mark.
question mark.
3. To show
To
surprise or
show
excitement,
surprise or
use an exclamation
using
point.
exclamation point.
4. Use a comma
Use a
between each
comma
person,
between each
place,
person,
thing, or
place,
phrase
thing,
in a
or
list.
phrase in a list.
Unit 30. Writing friendly letters.
August 5th,
August
2010.
5th, 2010.
Dear Sarah,
Dear
how
Sarah,
are you doing?
how are you doing?
Everything is fine with me.
Everything is fine with me.
I am having a great
I'm
summer with
having
my
a great
family.
summer with my family.
We stayed at Palm
We
Beach
stayed
for
at
1
Palm
week.
Beach for 1 week.
I went swimming
We
and
went
fishing.
swimming and fishing.
One day, we
One
even
day
did some
we even
snorkeling.
did some snorkeling.
How is your summer
How's
vacation
your summer
going?
vacation going?
School is going to
School
begin in
is
2
going to
weeks.
begin in 2 weeks.
I'll see you in
I'll
class
see
soon.
you soon.
Yours truly,
Yours
Tom.
truly, Tom.
Unit 21. Solids, liquids,
So
and
the
gases.
liquids and gases.
Everything in the world
Everything
is
in
made of
our earth
matter.
is made of matter.
Air, water,
Air,
and
water,
this book
and
are
these
all made
books
of matter.
are made of matter.
Matter has three
Matter
forms.
has 3 forms.
They are solid,
They are solid,
liquids, and
liquids,
gases.
and gases.
A solid is a hard object that can be
A
touched.
solid is a hard object that can
Only
be
a solid
touched.
has a shape of
Only a
its
solid
own.
has shapes of one.
Cars, books,
Cars,
rocks, and
books,
ice are
rocks,
all
and
solids.
ice are all solids.
Water is a liquid.
Water in a liquid.
A liquid does
A
not have a
liquid
shape
does
of
not
its
have
own.
shape of its own.
It takes the shape
It
of
takes
its
the shape
container.
of container.
Juice, milk,
Juice,
and Coke
milk,
are
and
all
Coke
liquids.
are all liquids.
Air is made up of
Air
gases.
is made of gases.
Like a liquid,
Like
a
a
gas
liquid,
does
a
not have
gas
its
does
own
not
shape.
have its own shape.
It fills all
A
of the space
space
of
of
its
space in a
container.
container.
The air
The air
inside
inside
helium,
balloons,
and
helium,
steam are
and
all
steam are
gases.
all gases.
Unit 22. The water
The
cycle.
water
Water can be a
Water
solid,
can
a
be a
liquid,
solid,
or a gas.
liquid, or gas.
When water gets
When
warm,
water
it
gets
changes
warm,
into a
it
gas.
changes into a gas.
The gas is
The
called water
gas is
vapor.
called water vapor.
When water vapor gets
And
cool,
water
it turns back into
turns
water.
back into water.
Water can change
Water
into a
can
solid,
change
ice,
into a
when it
solid,
freezes.
ice and freezes.
This water cycle
This
makes it
water
rain
cycle
or
makes it
snow.
rain or snow.
The sun heats the
The
water
sun
in the
heats the
oceans
water in
and
the
on land.
oceans and on land.
Some water turns into
So
water
water
vapor.
turns into water vapor.
As the water vapor
As
rises
the
into the
vapor
air,
rises
the
into the
temperature
air,
gets
the
colder.
temperature gets colder.
This makes the water
This
vapor
makes the
turn
water
back into
vapor turn
water.
back into water.
The water gathers in
The
the
water
sky
in
in
the
the
sky
form of
in the
clouds.
form of clouds.
Eventually, the clouds
Eventually, the
release their
clouds
water.
release their water.
In warm weather, the
The
water
warm
falls to
weather,
earth
the
as
water
rain.
is rain.
In cold weather,
The
the
cold
water
weather,
falls
the
as
water
snow.
falls as snow.
Then the water cycle
Then the
begins
water
again.
cycle begins again.
Unit 23. Your body. Your body has many
Your
different
body
parts.
has many different parts.
All your parts work
All your
together
parts
to help
work
you live.
together to help you live.
Let's learn about
Let's
some
learn
of the
about
systems
some
of your body.
system of your body.
Bones are the hard
Bones
body
are the
parts
hard
inside your
parts
body.
inside your body.
They connect each
They
body part
connect
to
each
one
body
another.
part to one another.
They hold your body
They
up
hold your
and
body
give the
up
body
and give
its
the
shape.
body its shape.
Bones also protect
Bones
many
also protect
important
many
parts
important
inside your
parts
body.
inside your body.
There are more than
There are more than
200 bones
200
inside you.
bones inside you.
Altogether, they form
Altogether,
your
they
skeletal
form
system.
your skeletal system.
Muscles are body parts
Muscles
that
are
make
body
you
parts
move.
make you move.
You use muscles to
Use
walk,
muscles to
run,
walk,
and jump.
run and jump.
You even use your
You
muscles
even
to
use your
talk,
muscles to
eat,
talk,
laugh, and
eat,
sing.
laugh and sing.
There are more than
There are more
600
than
muscles
600
inside you.
inside you.
Your muscular system
Your
is
muscular
made up
system
of these
is made of
muscles.
these muscles.
Unit 24. The systems of your
The
body.
system.
Let's learn more about the
Let's learn more
systems of your
about the
body.
system of your body.
You breathe using
Your
your
brain
respiratory
using your
system.
respiratory system.
Your mouth and
Your
nose
mouth
take in
and nose
oxygen
take
from
in
the air.
oxygen from the air.
Then the oxygen
Then
goes
the
into your
oxygen
lungs
goes into
and
your
moves
lungs
through your
and
blood.
moves your blood.
Blood circulates in
Blood
your body
circulates
through
in
your
your body
circulatory
through your
system.
circulatory system.
It is made up
It
of
is
your heart
made of your
and blood
heart and
vessels.
blood vessels.
Your heart pumps blood
Your
through
heart
blood
pumps blood
vessels.
through vessels.
Blood vessels are
Blood
small
vessels
tubes.
are small tubes.
They carry blood
They
from
carry
your heart
blood
to
from your
every
heart
part
to
of your
every
body.
part of your body.
Your body gets
Your body
energy from
gets
the food
energy
you eat.
from the food you eat.
When you eat,
When
your
you eat,
digestive
your
system breaks
digestive
down the
system
food.
breaks down the food.
This lets your body
This
get
makes your
energy
body
to do
get
things.
energy to do things.
Unit 25. Shapes and figures.
Shapes and figures.
Can you name
Can
these
you
shapes?
name these shapes?
A shape with three
A shape
sides
with
is
three
called a
sides is
triangle.
called a triangle.
A rectangle
A
has four
rectangle
sides.
has four sides.
A square has
A
four
square
sides of
has four
equal
sides
length.
equal length.
A circle is
A
round
circle
and
is
has no
round and
sides.
has no sides.
These shapes are called
These shapes
flat
are
shapes
called
or
flat shapes
plane
or
figures.
plane figures.
A figure is a
A
regular
figure is
shape.
a regular shape.
There are many solid
There are
shapes
many
too.
solid shapes too.
A sphere is a
A sphere
solid
is
shaped
a
circle.
solid shaped circle.
A cube is a
A
solid
cube
shaped
is a
square.
solid shaped square.
Cones, pyramids, and
Cones,
cylinders
pyramids, and
are
cylinders
also
are
solid
also
shapes.
solid shapes.
Everywhere you look,
Everywhere
you
you
can
look,
see
you
solid
can see
shapes and
solid
figures.
shapes and figures.
They are in buildings
They are
and
in
in everyday
buildings and
objects.
everyday objects.
Look around your home
Look around
or
your
school,
home
for
or
example.
school, for example.
What figures do you
What
see?
figures do you see?
Unit 26. What am I? Let me tell you about
Let me
myself.
tell you about myself.
I have 6 faces.
I have 6 faces.
A face is a flat
A face
surface
is a
of a
flat
solid
surface of a
figure.
solid figure.
So, I
So,
am a
I
solid
am a
figure.
solid figure.
My faces
My
intersect
faces
at various
intersect at
points.
various points.
An edge is
And
formed where
it is
2 of my
where 2 of
faces
my
meet.
faces meet.
I have many
I have
edges.
many edges.
I have 12
I
of
have
them.
12